Good morning, students. So, today let me continue with the body plan. Now, body plan actually means what? It is actually the construction of an animal, how the body of an animal is constructed. That is called body plan. মানে এটা এনিমেলৰ কেনেধৰণৰ কনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন হৈছে বডিৰ ভিতৰৰ যিখিনি কনষ্ট্ৰাকশ্যন কেনেধৰণৰ হৈছে সেইটোক বডি প্লেন বুলি কোৱা হয় অ'কে মানে বডি প্লেনটো একচুৱেলি গঠনটো এনিমেলৰ গঠনটো কি সেইটো So on the basis of the body plan, the animals have been divided into three groups. And what are they? They are animals having cell aggregate plan, animals having blind sac body plan, and animals having tube within a tube body plan. Cell aggregate plan, this is present in case of very simple animal like Porifera. So this is the chart, Porifera. Then the next one is blind sac body plan. This is present in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. So here you see this is cell aggregate plan. The second one is blind sac body plan present in Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. Okay, and the last one is tube within a tube. So tube within a tube body plan, this is present right from Aschelminthes to Chordata. Okay, so animalor jitu gothon hei gothon to tini dhoroner eta hoise cell aggregate body plan, example Porifera, blind sac body plan, example Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes. Aru third one is tube within a tube body plan. This is present Aschelminthes to Chordata loke. So look at this Porifera. Porifera ase ki? Porifera ase cell aggregate body plan. Then Cnidaria, Ctenophora, Platyhelminthes ase blind sac body plan. And Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata aru Chordata ebilakor ki ase iar pora ialoike ki ase they have tube within a tube body plan. Okay, now let us study little bit about the body plan. So cell aggregate plan, so it is just like what cellular level of organization. So cell aggregate body plan, it is just like what, just like the cellular level of organization. And what will you find? Look at this, the body of the animal will be made up of cells. The body of the animal will be made up of cells or aggregation of cells, groups of cells. So body of the animal will be made up of groups of cells. And what I already told you all, that the cells, they are not connected with one another. Simply body of the animal is made up of group of cells. There will be no tissue formation, there will be no organ formation, there will be no organ system formation present. Okay, and it is present where? In case of Porifera animals. The next one is blind sac body plan. Now this blind sac body plan, it is present in these three animals. Now let us see what is it. So this is an animal, this is an animal, this body of an animal. Okay, now say this is Hydra. I hope you have heard the name of Hydra. So this is Hydra, and the body will be elongated like this, tubular in shape, and at the tip there is an opening present, and this opening, it is surrounded by many finger-like structures. Now in this type of body plan, The alimentary canal, it is a blind sac. It is a blind sac. Look at this alimentary canal. This is the alimentary canal. It is a blind sac having only one opening. Already I have explained about this. Having only one opening. Okay. And this opening will act both as a mouth as well as anus. Okay. So this is what kind of digestive system? Incomplete digestive system, having one opening present, and this opening will act both as a mouth as well as anus. Okay. And you'll find that inside the body, this kind of body plan, you'll find that the alimentary canal present is just like what? It is a sac, just like a bag, and it is blind. It is blind. So at the bottom it is blind, it is closed, whereas in the upper part there is only one opening present. So this kind of body plan, it is called blind sac body plan. Okay, this is cell aggregate plan, this is blind sac body plan, and it is present where? I have told you all, Cnidaria, Ctenophora as well as Platyhelminthes. Okay. Now the third one is what? Tube within a tube body plan. So let us see. Tube within a tube. What is the meaning? One tube present inside another tube. So this is body of an animal. This is the body. So this is cockroach. A cockroach. This is cockroach. Okay. Now this constitutes a body cavity. This is a body cavity. Okay. So this is a body cavity. This one is a body cavity. Now this body cavity, it is like a tube. It is like a tube. It is like a tube. Okay. And inside this tube, there is alimentary canal present. This is the alimentary canal. This is the opening, upper opening mouth, lower opening anus. So this is the mouth. This is the anus. Okay. So this alimentary canal, this one is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal. This alimentary canal is also a tube. This alimentary canal is also a tube. So this is the alimentary canal. This is also a tube. Okay. And this one is the body cavity. This one is a body cavity. This body cavity, this is also a tube. Okay. So in this kind of body plan, what you find? This alimentary canal is a tube. This alimentary canal is present inside another tube, which is the body cavity. Okay. So alimentary canal is a tube, and this tube is present inside another tube, which is the body cavity. Okay. So and hence the name tube within a tube body plan. So it is known as tube within a tube body plan. Okay. So cell aggregate planot অকল cells থাকিব, কোনো কলা formation নহয়, অঙ্গ formation নহয়. Simply there will be aggregation of cells. There will be what? Groups of cells present. It is present in porifera. Porifera ক্ষেত্ৰত আছে. Blind sac body planot কি দেখা যায়? The alimentary canal to blind. এটা সাইডত opening থাকিব, আন এটা সাইডত বন্ধ. Okay. So alimentary canal, it is just like a sac, blind sac. Blind sac, blind মানে অন্ধ. Okay, so তলৰ পিনে বন্ধ, ওপৰ পিনে খালি এটা opening আছে, আৰু এই opening will act both as a mouth as well as anus. Okay, so এনে ধৰণৰ body plan of blind sac body plan বুলি কোৱা হয়. এতিয়া লাষ্টটো আছে কি tube within a tube body plan. ইয়াতে চোৱা, এইটো এটা ধৰা পঁইতাচোৰা cockroach. This is a cockroach. পঁইতাচোৰা. এই ককৰোচৰ ভিতৰ যিটো কেভিটি আছে, দেহ গহ্বৰ যিটো আছে, it is known as body cavity. It is body cavity. গহ্বৰ এইটো body cavity. আৰু এই body cavity-টোক ধৰি লোৱা এইটো এটা টিউব. এই body cavity যিটো আছে এইটো এটা টিউব. আৰু এই body cavity-ৰ ভিতৰতে খাদ্যনলী যিটো আছে, so এই খাদ্যনলী যিটো it is a tube like structure. অলপ আগতে পঢ়ি আহিছা, এলিমেণ্টাৰী কেনেলৰ দুটা ওপেনিং আছে, চোৱা ওপৰৰ ওপেনিং মাউথ, তলৰ ওপেনিং এনাছ. অ'কে, চ' দিছ এলিমেণ্টাৰী কেনেল যিটো খাদ্যনলী বুলি কোৱা হয়, এই খাদ্যনলী কি ধৰণৰ খাদ্যনলী? কমপ্লিট, ইট ইজ কমপ্লিট এলিমেণ্টাৰী কেনেল অৰ কমপ্লিট ডাইজেষ্টিভ চিষ্টেম. অ'কে, now this elementary canal is also a tube. It is also a tube like structure. Okay, আৰু এই এনিমেলৰ গঠনটো কেনেধৰণৰ? এইটো এটা টিউব. এই টিউবটো আন এটা টিউবৰ ভিতৰত আছে যিটো দেহ গহ্বৰ বা বডি কেভিটি. বডি কেভিটিক টিউব বুলি ধৰা হয়, আৰু এই বডি কেভিটিৰ যিটো টিউব, এইটো টিউবৰ ভিতৰত আন এটা টিউব আছে. অ'কে, চ' হেন্স এনেধৰণৰ গঠন যিটো, এইটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? ইট ইজ ন'ন এজ টিউব উইদিন আ টিউব বডি প্লেন. অ'কে, so I hope you have understood about this. Okay, so about body plan you have understood. Now the next, let me start with symmetry. Okay, so symmetry মানে কি? সামঞ্জস্য যিটো, সেইটোক symmetry বুলি কোৱা হয়. So on the basis of symmetry আছে নে নাই, বডিৰ symmetry আছে নে নাই, সেইটোৰ ওপৰতে বেছ কৰি, on the basis of that, animals have been categorized into 3 groups. And what are they? Asymmetrical animals, radially symmetrical animals, and bilaterally symmetrical animals. By asymmetrical symmetry, radial symmetry, and bilateral symmetry. Now asymmetrical. So how will you know that an animal is asymmetrical? By an animal is having asymmetry. Example, sponge বা porifera. So porifera at example sponge. Now how the sponge looks like? So this is the body of the sponge. Look at this. This is the body of the sponge having a opening. Eta opening ase. This is an opening. Okay, a sponge to soa bhalke. Look at this sponge. Tumi jodi, if you divide the animal longitudinally, animal ka digholiya ke jodi kati dia, so this division is called longitudinal division. If you cut the body of the animal, or if you divide the body of the animal longitudinally, you will not get similar parts. So this side will be different shape, this side will be different shape. Okay, so এইটো সাইডত তুমি যদি এনেকুৱা দীঘলীয়াকৈ যদি এটা লাইন ড্ৰ কৰি দিয়া, আঁচ ড্ৰ কৰি দিয়া, বা দীঘলীয়াকৈ যদি কাটি দিয়া, চ' কি পাবা? এইটো সাইড আৰু এইটো সাইড নিমিলে, তাৰ শ্বেপটো নিমিলে. অ'কে, চ' এনে ধৰণৰ চিমেট্ৰি বা আৰু এটা ডিভিশ্যন কৰা. ইফ ইউ ডু দিছ ডিভিশ্যন, এনেকুৱা এই ডিভিশ্যন, দিছ ডিভিশ্যন ইজ ন'ন এজ দ্য ট্ৰান্সভাৰ্চ ডিভিশ্যন বুলি কোৱা হয়. This is known as transverse division. This is called longitudinal division. Okay, so when you do transverse division also, you don't get similar shape. Look at the upper portion. This is the upper portion. Look at the upper portion here. and look at the lower portion here. Okay, now a shape to a2 logot ekdom nimile, duta beleg beleg shape. Okay, so when you divide the animal by longitudinal division or by transverse division and you do not get similar parts, then that kind of symmetry is called what? Asymmetric ba asymmetry. Okay, it is called asymmetry. Symmetry nai kobo gole, it does not have symmetry. Okay, example, sponge belonging to porifera animal. So porifera animals, in general, porifera animals, they are asymmetrical, but there are some symmetrical porifera animals also, but most of the porifera animals, they are asymmetrical. So asymmetrical animals কি পাবা তোমালোকে যে সামঞ্জস্যতাটো নাথাকে, এইবিলাক এনিমেলৰ সামঞ্জস্যতাটো নাথাকে। পাৰ্টছ তুমি যদি যিকোনো ধৰণৰ প্লেনত যদি ডিভাইড কৰা একে ধৰণৰ পাৰ্টছ নোপোৱা, একে ধৰণৰ শেপৰ পাৰ্টছ নোপোৱা। The next is radial symmetry, and this radial symmetry, this is present in case of cnidaria animals, ctenophora animals and echinodermata animals. Okay, so cnidaria, ctenophora, echinodermata animals, they have what? They have radial symmetry. Okay, now let us take an example. So here I have taken the example of sponge. Let me take starfish. So starfish belongs to echinodermata. It's echinodermata. Okay, example, let us starfish. So let me draw a starfish. This is a starfish. Okay, so this is a starfish. Now this starfish, you have to divide the animal in such a way that you get similar parts. So how you are going to divide? Etu kene dhoroner divide korile ek similar parts paba. So this is the center of the body of the animal. Okay, so from the center তোমালোকে circle পঢ়িছা, so circle তোমালোকে পঢ়িছা, এইটো যদি এটা circle হয়, circle-or এইটো হ'ল center. What is this? This is radius. এইখিনি হ'ল radius বুলি কোৱা হয়, এইখিনি radius বুলি কোৱা হয়। চেণ্টাৰৰ পৰা circumference লৈকে লাইন ড্ৰ কৰিলে যিটো পাবা সেইটো কি বুলি কোৱা হয়? radius বুলি কোৱা হয়। So here also same, this is the center of the body of the animal, and if you divide the body of the animal radially, so ইয়াৰ পৰা এনেকুৱা কাটি, you cut it, divide from here, here, ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈ, from here like this, here. Now you look and see, are you getting similar parts? So you are getting similar parts. So when you divide the body of the animal from the center to the side, radially if you divide, you will get similar parts. So centerer pora side loike jodi kati dia ene dhonor katile eke dhonor parts paba, you will get similar parts. So this kind of symmetry, it is called radial symmetry. Okay, so it is called radial symmetry karon radially katile he similar parts paba, kintu tumi jodi enoka kata, if you cut this way you will not get similar parts, like this if you cut you will not get similar parts. Okay, so this symmetry is called what? Radial symmetry, and it is seen in case of cnidaria, ctenophora and echinodermata. The last one is bilateral symmetry. Now this bilateral symmetry, it is seen in case of Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Hemichordata and Chordata. Mollusca pisot echinodermata. Echinodermata is having radial symmetry. Okay, now say I am drawing again, say a human. This is the body of a human being. Okay, this is a man. So you can divide the body of man only by one plane to get similar parts. Okay, so when you divide the body of an animal by only one plane to get similar parts, then that kind of body symmetry is called bilateral symmetry. Okay, etu kenuka katile paba. So how will you divide this man? Longitudinally. So from the head, longitudinally if you cut, then you will get two similar parts. Duta eke dhornor part paba. Is it clear or not? Kintu tumi jodi ene kata like this, if you cut the animal like this, or if you cut man like this, will you get similar parts? Upper part will be different, lower part will be different. Is it clear? So this kind of symmetry, it is called bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. So the two sides, lateral sides, these are the two sides. It is called lateral side. So lateral sides will be similar. So bi means two. So both the lateral sides will be similar. So this kind of symmetry is called bilateral symmetry, and you can get bilateral symmetry by only one plane, by dividing the animal by only one plane. Say here longitudinal division. Okay, so this is called bilateral symmetry, and it is present right from Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Hemichordata and Chordata. All these, they have bilateral symmetry.